Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Matt Durant with Valley Chiropractic, and I'm here to bring you another video of research you can use. Did you know that your body was built to move? Every spinal disc and joint is designed to help you sit, stand, run, walk, and move. Your discs are soft enough to flex when you bend forward and back. Your facet joints slide as you twist and turn, and your bones are connected with ligaments to keep you supported along the way. Your body is an incredibly strong and resilient system. New research has begun to give us a glimpse of just how important movement is in our life. For example, movement of the spine has now been shown to stimulate and accelerate the healing process. Movement is so crucial in the healing process that even people who have spinal surgery are being encouraged to get up and move as quickly as possible after their surgery. All of the bones, ligaments, and joints in your spine are designed for daily movement. Blood flow, strength, and flexibility are all enhanced through movement and the movement of the individual alone. Segments of your spine also play a factor in how an individual can actually heal. I believe that encouraging healthy movement and activity is an important part of my job as a chiropractor. If you have any questions about stretches, exercise, or other ways to proactively stay healthy, please ask myself or any of the other doctors at Valley Chiropractic Center. There's an old saying that goes, you don't get old then stiff, you get stiff and then old. We want to help you stay young by helping keep your spine and body moving. So stay proactive with your health and ensure that you have your next appointment scheduled. If you want more information to empower your health, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next week for another episode of Research You Can Use.